question from 40323 from YouTube with coming in hot with another music theory question. How does an artist make a piece of music sound jazzy? That's a fun one. So the short answer is just add a 7. Just add a 7. So what do I mean by that? I'll just show you a normal triad. So a triad is 3 notes that make a chord. Here's a major triad, a C major triad, the easiest one in my opinion. So in adding a 7, this would be a major 7. You hear this a lot in jazz, right? Here's a regular triad. Here's the major 7. It's just one note. Makes it sound like jazz. Now you can go further in. That's the simplest way to do it. You can go further in and you can make a little 9 chord. Right? So here's the regular, here's the 7, here's the 9. You know, you can go on and make a 13 and add some movement in between and really try and jazz it up. But just the simple answer is just add a 7. You know, that's the easiest way to make something sound jazzy. So thanks for the question. It's always fun to hear from you. If anybody else has questions about music theory, music business, octave records, whatever you want to ask me about, please drop them in the comments and I will try and get to your question. Thanks for watching.